In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscription in Amazon Prime Video. If you're ready to stop your membership, I'll walk you through the exact screens to click and share helpful context so you know what to expect at each stage. Start by opening a web browser and going to Amazon's website, then sign into your account. This flow works best on a computer because the menus we need are visible in the top navigation. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile or family account, so the right membership is updated. Look to the top right of the page for account and lists and click it. This opens your account hub. From here, select Prime to view your Prime details. This page shows your plan type, the next renewal date, and your payment method. It's worth noting the renewal date now because canceling typically stops auto renewal while letting you keep benefits until that listed date. On the Prime Overview screen, focus on the upper right area and click Manage Membership. A set of options will appear. Choose End Membership. Amazon may guide you through a few confirmation screens and offer alternatives, such as reminders or different plans. Read each prompt carefully and continue selecting End Membership until you reach the final confirmation. When you confirm, your cancellation request is submitted. In most cases, your Prime Video access remains active until the end of the current billing cycle, and you'll usually receive a confirmation email. You can revisit the Prime page anytime to verify that the status shows a scheduled end date. A few tips to keep in mind as you go. Canceling a Prime membership impacts all Prime benefits tied to that account, not just Prime Video, so plan around any deliveries or other services you're using. If you only need to stop the renewal after your current period, this process accomplishes that. You'll still be able to watch until the listed end date. If your Prime Video subscription was started through a third-party provider, such as a mobile app store, the cancellation may need to happen through that provider's subscriptions page instead of Amazon's website. And if you use multiple country or region versions of Amazon, make sure you're signed into the site where the membership was originally purchased. That's the full process. You go to your Amazon account, open account and lists, select Prime, click Manage Membership, and choose End Membership, confirming at each prompt. Once you've completed those screens, you're all set and your membership will end on the date shown.